let's know what is the best marker to know if there is any uterine anomaly. So the latest advancement in ultrasound to look for, even without any invasive procedures like hysteroscopy, to know whether the endometrium cavity is normal, can it bear the pregnancy to the 9 months, is there any delay in the pregnancy, is there any risk of abortions in pregnancy. So all this can be diagnosed with a 3D ultrasound. What is 3D scan and what is the best time to do the 3D ultrasound? So 3D scan is an excellent transvaginal scan where we can get to see the uterus in a best possible way. That is, how is the serosa, that is the outer lining of the of the uterus, how is the middle layer, how is the endometrial layer. And in this we can also get to see if there are any smallest to the smallest fibroids as well. If these fibroids are coming in between the way of pregnancy, can also be detected. That is, by 3D scan we can know if the fibroid is pressing the cavity from any of the sides so that the cavity is compressed. If at all the cavity is compressed, definitely there will be no space for the embryo to grow. Those fibroids are to be removed. So not all fibroids needs removal. These fibroids which is indenting the cavity have to be removed, and that is the best way to know the 3D scan.